I'm lounging in a lounge, having big boy discussions. Just making sure my kids ain't gotta resort to hustling. I'm chilling on resorts.
I mean, like, and then, bro, like that event, bro, like, shout out to you for like throwing that shit because
Thank you, bro.
like, bro, like that inspired me to move to Miami and just to, bro, give you an idea of all the people that was in this room. Like Kenzo, this motherfucker's a baller, bro.
Yeah.
This dude named Zay, I had no idea who the fuck
Zane.
this guy was. Yeah,
Company
Zane.
like $100 million.
You hear me?
Yeah.
You feel me?
My boy. These are my boys.
You got Van speaking there. You know, he got an 8-figure agency. Sam Jacobs invited me to that because I was originally one of his students in his mastermind.
Word, okay.
And that's where me and Carlos end up locking in
right.
our partnership at. Me and Jordan sat at the same table. At the time, this nigga might have had 15, 20,000 subscribers
Yeah, he wasn't
on
yeah,
YouTube.
I remember.
He wasn't even going hard with it. He had just started like, yeah, bro. Like I'm doing YouTube ads for my brand. We're doing 200 grand. Just go check my shit out on YouTube, bro.
Jordan
He
killing it
was
now.
super humble with it, bro. Now
Yeah.
at 300K. Like these is, bro, another kid that was in that room. Like he did shit for solar. He ended up making 50 grand off a Facebook lead ad, and it cost $5 to get that.
That's my boy
lead.
Luke. Yeah. That's one of my students. That's like my top student.
See,
Yeah.
all of these people are in one room.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, like there's a powerful room.
It was
In my opinion, everybody's under 30, 25, damn near.
killing it.
Like making millions. This is millions and millions of dollars.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
When was that?
this was last year around this time.
Yeah, last year around this time. Through an event.
After, man, I walked out of there and then everybody said that they had moved. Like you said you had moved to Miami. Zane said he moved to Miami.
Yeah.
Van said he moved to Miami, right? Yeah, Jordan. I'm sitting with Jordan. He said he just moved to Miami. So I'm like, bro, where the fuck are you guys moved to? He said
Yeah.
Brickell. I'm like, all right.
Right.
That's funny.
Let me move here.
2 months later, we're here.